to all. Now today I will discuss the basic organic chemistry, that is carbene. It is the one of the reactive intermediate like carbocation, carbanion, free radicals, nitrene, benzene. So this is the one of the reactive intermediate which is most reactive intermediate, that is carbene. This chapter carbene. Okay. I will go to my whiteboard presentation to present the today's group. Carbene. So what is carbene? So it is a neutral, most reactive intermediates which have 6 electrons in its outermost shell. It is a neutral. It is a short-lived neutral intermediate which has 6 electrons in its outermost shell. 6 electrons in its outermost shell. So it is a short-lived neutral intermediate. Okay. Now let's discuss about its type. Carbene, it is replaced. Example CH2. The carbene. It can be represented in this way. C, here is the H, here is the H, here is the lone pair. It means it is a neutral, short-lived and most reactive intermediate. Most reactive. That means it is 6 electron. How many electron? Here is the 2, 1, is the 2 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron in its valence pair. That means 6 electron is there. Less than 8. So it acts as a electrophile. It is a electrophile. Just like carbocation. Carbocation is a electrophile. So carbene electrophile. Migrate to the electron receptor. This is a carbene. CH. R represents C, here is the R, here is the H. This is known as alkyl carbene. This is methylene carbene. This is known as methylene carbene. Methylene carbene. Similarly, another dialkyl carbene is another carbene, RC. This is also dialkyl carbene, known as dialkyl carbene. Dialkyl carbene. So carbene is this. So how carbene is produced? Next reaction is how carbene is produced. How is produced during the reaction. First, when diazomethane is heated, diazomethane N2 undergo photolysis is a nitrogen gas. Under pyrolysis or photolysis, this bond is methane with the structure of CH. That means C is the H2 double bond N double bond N. It is the plus, it is the minus. So this is the diazomethane. It can undergo resonance structure. Electron delocalization takes place in this way. So it converts this type of structure, CH2 single bond N triple bond N. Okay. Here is the plus, here is the minus. It again rearrangement. Okay, this is a lone pair electron. Okay, then this undergo CH2 N double bond N. Okay, here is the minus, here is the plus. So this is a resonance structure of diazomethane. Dipolar ion. Here is the dipolar ion. Here is the dipolar ion. Resonance structure of diazomethane, known as the resonance structure of H2N2. This is the resonance structure. So this diazomethane undergo photolysis or pyrolysis. We get a carbene. This is a carbene, methylene carbene. This is known as the carbene, most reactive intermediate. Another method. So let's discuss about another method, how carbene is produced. Second, similarly, RCHN2, CHN2, diazoalkane, this is the diazomethane, undergo photolysis or pyrolysis. We get carbene RCH plus N2. This is the alkyl carbene. This is known as alkyl carbene. Then third, by pyrolysis of ketene, pyrolysis of ketene. That means ketene undergo pyrolysis. Thermally, it is heated. Thermally, ketene, this is the structure of ketene, CH2 double bond C double bond O. This is ketene. Undergo pyrolysis. Bond cleavage takes place in this way. then you get H2 plus CO, carbon monoxide. This is known as a methylene carbene. This way carbene is produced. Similarly, another method, discuss one after another, by treatment with zinc copper coupled with diiodomethane CH2I2, and treatment with zinc copper heat, this is diiodomethane undergo zinc copper coupled, we get block Z carbon. Carbon is here one after another. I am discussing another method, treatment of a base by the treatment of a polyhalogen compound with base, with a base, polyhalogen compound with base. That means, suppose CHCl3, here is the Cl, here is the Cl, here is the Cl. CHCl, chloroform, the name of compound is chloroform. When chloroform is treated with a base, suppose sodium hydroxide is there, base, strong base, OH minus, then what will happen? Then base attracts the acidic hydrogen. This hydrogen is acidic hydrogen. It extracts, the base extract the acidic hydrogen. Acidic hydrogen is removed here. Okay, acidic hydrogen removed, and this pair of electron taken by the carbon. C, plus L, right, remove here C, the plus non carbon. Yeah, base CD the types so discuss already. We already discussed how carbene is produced. Then we shall discuss about the types of carbene. Types. Then types of carbene. What is the type? Carbene is two types. One is a singlet carbene, another the triplet. Singlet carbene, another the triplet. So let's discuss about the singlet. What is a singlet carbene? So it is produced when both odd electron present in the different orbitals orbitals with a opposite spin. Opposite spin. That is opposite spin. That means one is clockwise, another is anti-parallel. That is called the anti-parallel. This is called the singlet carbene. Both are different orbital with opposite spin. That means if the carbene CH2, here is the odd electron, here is the odd electron, two odd electron. So with opposite spin, that means here is the one is in this spin. That means this type of spinning means in this way. This type of spinning. This is clockwise spinning. This is known as clockwise. Here is another anti-clockwise spinning. Anti-clockwise spinning in this way. That means this is anti-clockwise spinning. The opposite spinning here. One is the clockwise spinning, another the anti-clockwise spinning. So if clockwise spinning is equal to plus half spin, then anti-clockwise spinning is equal to minus half, because they are in different orbital with opposite spins. The spin quantum number, spin number S is equal to how much? Plus half. Here is the minus half. Here the plus half. Another might we add the spin quantum numbers. What is the value? 0. The spin number is 0. The spin state is equal to the formula 2s plus 1. That means 2 into s means the spin number 0 plus 1. That is 1. 1 means it is called the singlet. Why it is called singlet? Because its spin state is 1. So hence it is called the singlet carbene. Spin state is equal to 1 with the singlet carbene. Okay, then let's discuss its hybridization. So discuss the hybridization of a singlet carbene. Then let's discuss hybridization. Hybridization of singlet carbene. Okay, we know that the atomic number of carbon is 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. So when carbon become excited, so one electron jumps from 2pz orbital from s2 to pz. That is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. So 4 on-pair orbital is there by excitation of the carbon atom. So here the hybridization is sp2. The hybridization is sp2. sp2 hybridization takes place. Here is the 1, 1, 1, 1. Here is the 1. 3sp2 hybridization takes place. For singlet carbene, the sp2 hybridization in this way. Okay. Here we discuss about for sp2 hybridization in this way. In this way, sp2. That means a trigonal planar structure. Here is the carbon. Okay. sp2 orbital. Here is the sp2 orbital. Here is the sp2 orbital. The sp2 orbital. So each sp2 orbital contain 1 electron. Here is the 1 electron. Here is the 1 electron. Here is the 1 electron. And 2 hydrogen is there. Here is the 2 hydrogen is there. Okay. And 1 2pz orbital remain. vacant for participate, not participated. Here is the 1 2pz 1 electron is there. That means here is the sp2 vibration. Here is the p orbital, 2pz orbital, which contain 1 electron. The structure is in this way. This way. That is carbene. Here is the hydrogen atom. Here is the hydrogen atom, and 1 sp2 contain 1 odd electron, and here the 2pz contain 1 electron. Here the sp2, here the 2pz. That means this, but this electron not in same spin. This is different spin. Okay, suppose this is clockwise, anti-clockwise. This is clockwise. In this way spinning. In this spinning takes place in this. Here is the anti-clockwise. Here the clockwise. Opposite spin. That means here the 2 electrons are in opposite spin. But in HOMO,